All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about, would you still recommend being an automotive technician in this day and age? Now, this subject came up because some of my longtime viewers will remember we used to have a tech named Sean here. Now, Sean left us and went to work for a nonprofit as an instructor. The nonprofit takes inner city kids and, well, gives them a career path. They teach them a skill, auto repair. Today I had one of their first classes since the whole human malware issue. Every class comes and sees me. We talk about various things from flat rate to why you should show up on time, life stuff, tools, all that kind of good stuff that I talk about on my channel because, well, it's a good thing for them to know. What brought this video up though was Billy asked, not on camera, not YouTube, tech to tech, would you still recommend this career? And the simple answer is absolutely. The more involved answer is it really depends on the person. The thing about this job is, like any job, if you don't like doing it, you don't like doing it. You're gonna hate what you do. If you don't enjoy coming to work, playing with tools, fixing cars, it's not the career for you. It's just simply not. If you don't like this kind of stuff, you're not gonna wanna do it for the rest of your life. Now, Billy talked about, the older guys in the shop, always saying, get out, before it's too late, get out. It's not the business for you. Now, what I told him is there's two schools of thought on that. When it comes to those kind of technicians, especially in a flat rate environment, human nature, your competition. You are somebody that's going to take money out of their pocket in their minds. Are they really telling you to get out of the business because they think you should go do something else? Or are they just trying to maintain their income? The other type is, well, the ones that are burnt out. You'll see them posting comments in my videos. You'll see them on Facebook. You'll see them various places, and they will tell you, no, get the hell out. And you have to understand something. There's burnout. In any career, you will get to a point where you kind of really look at your life and go, do I really want to do this going on? And it doesn't matter what you do for a living. You could be a doctor, you could be a lawyer, you could be a, whatever. And you will get to a point where you're looking at what you do for a living and questioning it. It happens to everybody no matter what they do. They can be whatever dream job you have. Be it NASCAR racer, football player, whatever, they get to a point where they go, do I really need to be doing this the rest of my life? When it comes to sports, can I do this for 2 more years, 3 more years? So you have to understand that. There's always going to be, and trust me, whatever career it is, there will always be the older, crusty people, and I'm using people because, you go out to other industries, they're not quite as dominated by men, and you will have people that will tell you, get out of this career, get out of this job path, it is not worth it, go away, go, run. You have to understand that this is not a job for everybody, period. Not a job for somebody that doesn't enjoy being in the shop, doesn't enjoy fixing cars. If you don't find this interesting, entertaining, enjoyable, it's probably not the job for you. But on the other side of that, if you do enjoy it, you can make a really good living, you get to play with cool tools, and you get to make a really good living at it. Now, some will say you won't, you don't really make a good living, and you can. People suck at their job and don't make good money, just like other careers. You have to understand that. A lot of the stuff I talk about really correlates with other careers, because guess what? The same thing happens. You go to one, you can be whatever career path, and you can go to this company, everything's great for a while, then it goes to, and then you're out of a job. I can give you my sales career. When they're talking about maybe letting you go and you're number 2 sales in the country, it happens in every industry where there's issues you're going to deal with. So understand that. Doesn't matter what you do. There's going to be days you hate your life, you hate your job, and you want to quit. There's other days where you're going to love your job and love what you do, and that's fine. Just remember, it's a career path that can be very beneficial to your life if you have the attitude to support it. Because you come in and you don't like it, you're not going to make a good living. If you don't enjoy what you do, it's going to be a chore, it's going to be a job, and that's what it's going to be. So you have to understand that. Some people wound up in this business because it was a logical choice, or dad did it, or my whole family did it, and they wound up getting pushed in that direction, and it wasn't what they liked or wanted, and 20 years of doing it have made those feelings much more elevated. So is it a career I would recommend? Absolutely. Is it right for everybody? No. So I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.